you what.
You did?
I made a lot of pictures.
Is this what you made? Will you hold that?
Yeah. I made that. No, that was me. I made it at school.
Is that our family tree?
No. No.
Happy
Birthday.
birthday. Oh, Natasha.
That means me.
Oh, thank you. Guess what I'm going to do with this?
What?
Put it on my fridge. All of these.
I made
Is there more
them
in there?
by myself.
Is there more in there?
Yeah.
Do you have to tip it upside down? Whoa, there. Oh my goodness.
I can pull that out. This is
It's the gift that keeps on giving.
Big Mac. It's a happy birthday Mac. And this
Trying to
one
place
you
this
get
now.
it open that I did with staples.
That was Staples. Aww.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, to Aunt Sherry. Aww. Thank you. I like this card.
Open it.
Oh, I get to open it? Aww. Is that us having fun?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's when we had your birthday. I said, happy birthday, and then you said, thank you.
Yes, I did say thank you. Oh, I like it. Thank you for all these cards. Love
I
you.
want me to show you a lot of pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, then come up to there. Oh, no,
okay.
Okay.
Look at this one.
I know, I have the same one as this.
Yes.
And Cherry will put that on the fridge.
That's going to go on the wall. Oh, wow.
Let me see,
Are
Nina.
we staying in a hotel here?
Whoa.
Yeah.
What is that?
What hotel are we going to stay at?
I don't know. Just the one by our house.
Oh, I like this. So is this your house?
No, this is